Hello all you backyard pit masters. My name is Thomas Scarana with Z Grills. Alright guys, look, on today's show we will smoke up a nice bone-in chicken breast. We will pair that with a fun tornado potato and tie it all together with a nice summer watermelon salad. So look man, without further ado, let's turn the cameras on the board and show you what we're working with. So our rub that is going to complement this chicken is going to start with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, paprika, dried oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, salt, and cayenne pepper. And as usual, you can read all about it in blog form down in the description. At that point, you want to get your nicely dried out chicken breast. You want to pull that skin back, because we want to get some rub on the flesh of that chicken. After such, you could stretch that skin back over it and get some rub on there. And also you want to get some rub on all sides, bottoms, and again, sides of the bone-in chicken breast. Just like that, no big deal. Okay guys, we have our chicken all rubbed down, and as you can hear and probably see behind me, my Z Grills 1100 2B is all fired up. Now look, with a poultry dish like this, I like to run a fruit type wood. You can go a pecan, a maple, a cherry, or an apple. In this case here, I got some Z Grills cherry pellets all ready to go. Let's get on over to the pit. Let's get this chicken on, and then turn our attention back to the board, and we're going to do up some tornado potatoes. Come on. As noted, we got our 1100 2B from Z Grills all preheated up at 225 Fahrenheit, and we are running those cherry pellets, and we want to bring this bird up to that perfect 165 internal. And we do want to get a probe inside so we can monitor that closely. Now on to our tornado potatoes. And basically what you'll need here is a skewer and some potatoes, right? You could use a bigger brown table. I've had these red potatoes on hand, so I will go ahead and use them. And basically all you got to do is skewer it through, get your knife, and just kind of tornado the potato, I guess you could say. You want about 1/8 to 1/4 inch slices. Now you are just going to let that knife just run along that skewer so you won't cut all the way through. And basically what you want to do from there is just kind of spread the potato apart just like that. That's kind of like the tornado in the potato. Yeah. Oh yeah. So look, what I like to do here is I like to get a bowl. That way I can get my olive oil and whatever lands in the bowl I could use. We are going to hit this with some kosher salt, some 16 mesh black pepper, some granulated garlic, and some rosemary. And you definitely want to hit the potato up with a decent amount of each. Oh yeah, playing that wind. Oh yeah. So look man, usually when I cook these bad boys, they're going to take, at 225 man, they're going to stay in there for 2-3 hours, but we will keep an eye on them to make sure they don't overcook. Oh yeah. All right guys, look, that is all going to smoke at 225 degrees, and we want to take it right up to that perfect 165 internal. You are looking at probably 2 to 3 hours. So look though, as that is going there, let's turn our attention one more time to the board, as I'm going to make you up a summer watermelon salad that is going to knock your socks off. So look, this cold watermelon salad is always a big hit around the summer times, and basically what I like to do is quarter the quarter, I guess you could say, because we want to get off some nice bite-sized slices. Now, nothing has to be perfect here, right? At that point, what we are going to do, we are going to get all that in a bowl and then move on to our red onions. Now, look, you could leave the red onions out if you're not a fan. That said, I love doing the red onions because it just adds a little bit of crunch. Now, I will do about a half of red onion. Now we will move over to our feta cheese. I would do about a half a block of feta cheese. Look, you'll adjust these numbers by your desire, by how much watermelon you are going to make. Also, I will get a good half a cucumber in there. I'll make these little fork lines to kind of fancy it up. Oh, yeah. Then we will give those just a rough cut, no big deal. Get those in a bowl. Then what we want to do here is hit it with some fresh mint. And then finish it off with a nice fresh squeezed lime. And also you can hit it with a little bit of olive oil if you want. And taste it for saltiness if you want to add it. Oh yeah. All right, guys, look, so that there is our gorgeous summer salad. We will get that in the fridge to chill. And we will just let the chicken run, man. I will see you back here at about 165 Fahrenheit internal. Yeah. All right, you Z grillers, we are a little over 2 hours in, and we do have an internal temperature reading on the chicken of 140. I did want to bring you in. I do want to start brushing out those potatoes. I got a garlic butter mixture. We'll start brushing the potatoes and we will just let the chicken run again to that perfect 165 Fahrenheit internal. So guys, at this point, what I like to do here is just drizzle a little of that butter on the potatoes. This is a nice butter garlic sauce. It is nothing more than melted butter. And you can also brush out your chicken if you'd like. Usually what I do is wait to the very end and I'll drizzle some garlic butter on the chicken. Oh yeah, oh, extra flavor. All right, look, she is a perfect 163 internal. We'll get some carryover on the rest. That'll take us to that 165 or so. Let's go in, let's check it out. Let's get it on the board, let it rest. And then I'll bring you guys back to plate it up and get that taste test. So the first thing you'll notice on this chicken is the juice is just kind of running off it, and also the gorgeous color of the breast in itself. We will get this on the board and bring it right over to the plate and get plating it up. And basically what I like to do is get one bone-in chicken breast, hit it with a skewer of potatoes. At that point, we want to get some fresh summer salad down. And get a nice sprig of mint on there. And look, this is priced right, man. I mean, you were talking about maybe $5-6 for this plate right here, which is perfect for a warm summertime night. Yeah. So what an amazing summer treat that is definitely priced right. And look, man, you've got all the key summer flavors here, and I got the best part of my job is to dive right in and taste it all. Again, gorgeous colors, gorgeous mesh of flavors. Oh, you can see the juices coming right out. You expect that, you expect that. You know, I just love doing chicken, especially around the summertime. I mean, sure, you can grill it, man, but try smoking it for, like I said, 3 hours, man. It packs a bunch of flavor and is very juicy. Oh, yeah. And of course, cheers. Oh, man, yeah. It's all the summertime perfect flavors are in this chicken breast. It is nice and juicy. You get a hint of that rub. You get a hint of that garlic butter sauce that I drizzled on the end. And of course the chicken in itself let's go over and check out our summer salad. And of course, being a Greek, I do like that feta cheese little slant on the summer salad. So look, the summer salad, man, this is something you are gonna make all the time, that I guarantee you. The chicken, it complements it all together. Make sure you check out Z Grill's Facebook page and their YouTube channel, and also the website for more recipes just like this here. So look, at this time, I wanna thank you guys for watching. Until next time, we will see you soon.